Welcome to Help Me GMP. Today we're highlighting the role of the releasing officer. The releasing officer ensures pharmaceutical products and healthcare goods are safe, effective, and compliant with regulatory standards. This role is vital for maintaining supply chain integrity and public health. Let's delve into the key responsibilities of the releasing officer. They are required to conduct thorough reviews of batch records, test results, and deviation reports to ensure compliance with GMP standards. Approving batches that meet all quality criteria, ensuring deviations are resolved. They ensure all processes comply with GMP, regulatory submissions, and all other relevant standards. They must also maintain accurate records of all released batches for traceability. Another key part of their role is investigating deviations and, where appropriate, implementing corrective actions. They must be able to work closely with other departments to ensure seamless batch release, while providing updates to stakeholders on batch release status when required. And finally, they are responsible for enhancing efficiency and accuracy in the batch release process, all while staying compliant with GMP and the marketing authorization. The releasing officer relies on various types of documentation and systems to perform their duties effectively. These typically are batch records. These are detailed records of each production batch, including raw materials, production processes, and quality control tests. Deviation reports. These are documented deviations from SOPs or quality specs, including root cause analysis and CAPA. Quality control test results. This is evidence of all quality control inspections and tests on packaging materials and consumables, raw materials, in-process materials, and finished products. Training records of operators to ensure they are validated and authorized to carry out the manufacture. And lastly, the EQMS, which is the software system for managing quality processes, document control, CAPA, and audits, and all other aspects of the quality management system. To excel as a releasing officer, you need technical expertise and attention to detail. A degree in pharmacy, chemistry, biology, or a related field is typically required, while certifications in quality assurance or regulatory affairs are beneficial. Experience in quality assurance, control, or regulatory affairs is essential. Familiarity with batch record review and GMP regulations is crucial, as are a keen eye for detail and strong analytical skills. And it goes without saying, excellent communication skills to collaborate with teams and update stakeholders are a must. The releasing officer ensures only products meeting the highest standards reach the market. As the final checkpoint, they protect public health and maintain healthcare integrity. The releasing officer role offers numerous opportunities for career growth. You can advance to senior positions like quality assurance manager, head of quality, or even a qualified person. If you would like to find out more about these roles, check out our playlist detailing other roles in pharmaceutical manufacturing and GMP. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be kept up to date with more great content.